Good morning, friends. Today we have discussed about third unit hydroelectric power plant. In previous lecture, we have discussed types of dams, introduction of hydroelectric power plant. Today we are going to discuss about types of spillways. So overall spillways, church spillway, saddle spillway, sharp spillway, side channel spillway, emergency spillway, siphon spillway. See, this is types of spillways. So spillway is an internal part of dam. A spillway is usually used to remove water from reservoir to prevent overflow and to release pressure on a dam from increasing quantities of water. It is normally composed of three major components. The approach facility admits flow to the spillways. The discharging conduct evacuates the flow from the approach facility to an outlet structure. The outlet structure dissipates the excessive energy of the flow from the discharging conducts and convey tranquil flow to the downstream. So, see here, the approach facility admit flow to the spillway. The discharging conduct evacuates the flow from the approach facility to the outlet structure. The outlet structure dissipates the excessive energy of the flow from the discharging conduct and convey triangular flow to the downstream. This is spillway where in operating position. See here, spillway where flow and by spillway crushed, spillway deflector, and spillway gate. This is dam, like that. This in this diagram we can see here spillway we are in operating position. So figures how spillway, church spillway that allow water to passes over its crust widely used on gravity, arc and buttress dam. This is simple type. In this type, water is conveyed from the reservoir to the river or to Nala before below the dam through an evacuated open channel through fairly steep slope. So side channel spillway, we can see here crust of side channel spillway. This is reservoir, this is dam, this is river. Side channel water spilling in this way. Here from side channel we are also flow of the water from side channel of the dam. Side channel spillways, see here side channel spillways like that. Saddle spillways. A siphon spillway is a closed conduct system formed in the shape of an inverted U shape. These types of siphon is also called saddle siphon spillways. Siphonic action takes place after the air in the bend over the crust has been exhausted. We can see in this diagram siphon spillways. See here, this is the pair Rex, the primer, air vent, hood or crow throat, siphon duct, lower rim, lower legs, exit lip of hood, inlet or mouth, entrance lip of hood, cup basin type water seal, shaft spillway. The shape is just like a funnel. Water drops through a vertical shaft in the foundation material to a horizontal conduit that convey the water past the dam. Lower end of shaft is turned at right angle and the water takes out below the dam horizontally, also called as glory hole spillway. Siphon spillway. It is constructed in the form of siphon. The crust of spillway is kept at full reservoir level. If the water rises above full level of reservoir, water enter into the spillway and discharge. Why such tank required? Headgate, electricity, water intake, trash rack, water flow, generator, turbine, water discharge, time. A surge tank is a small reservoir or tank in which water level rise or fall to reduce the pressure swing so that they are not transferred in full to closed circuit. They reduce the distance between the free water surface and turbine nearby, thereby reducing water hammer effect. The change in pressure rapidly above or below the normal pressure caused by sudden change in the rate flow of through pipe according to the demand on penstock. To serve or supply tank to the turbine in case of increased load condition and storage tank in case of low load condition. Such tank is a small reservoir or tank in which water level rise or fall to reduce the pressure swing so that they are not transmit in full or to closed circuit. They reduce distance between the free water surface and turbine, thereby reducing water hammer effect. The change in pressure rapidly above or below the normal pressure caused by sudden change in the rate of flow up through the pipe according to the demand of the prime mover on the penstock. To serve as supply tank to the turbine in case of increased load condition and storage tank in case of low load condition. There is mainly three types of surge tank, simple types of surge tank, restricted entry type of surge tank, differential type of surge tank. Simple type of surge tank, restricted entry type of surge tank, differential type of surge tank. Simple or open surge tank, simple surge tank, cylindrical, conical, directly connected accelerating and retarding heads induced by the change of water surface, so sluggish, small oscillation, large costly. This is reservoir, static level, such tank, tunnel, like that. So restricted orifices such tank due to restriction, rapidly accelerating and retarding head are produced. Design of governing mechanism complicated and costly. Due to that, this type is not used through size is less than open type. See, here combination of both differential surge tank, combination of both diameter and internal riser connecting penstock is raised, riser having port at bottom. When the rod decreases, water rises in the internal riser and then spill over into the tank. Spilling water from internal riser to tank create differential head of the port. Due to this, water flows from turbine to tank. When the rod decreases, water from riser decreases rapidly. This creates accelerating head. Differential surge tank act rapidly like floater surge tank, but the pressure rise is not so rapid as in case of simple surge tank. Surge tank or surge chamber, we can see here, surge tank or surge chamber. Hydroelectric power plant, availability of water flow, availability of water head, and according to the loading type, run-of-river power plants without pondage, run-of-river power plant with pondage, reservoir power plant, low head, medium head, high head, base load, peak load, pump storage plant for peak load. Pump storage minimum micron 30 to 100, more than 100. Hydroelectric power plant availability of water head and according to the loading type. So depends on river capacity, no control on availability of water, power output fluctuates, less unit utility compared to the others. Runoff river without pondage. Runoff river with pondage. Pond behind river. Pondage capacity calculated depend on the 24 hours load, can be based on peak load. Use where 12-month flow over river in Europe. Where rainfall in initial few months, large amount of water is stored in the reservoir. Pump storage peak load plant with thermal reservoir pump turbine, raise water as a circulated additional due to evaporation. Heavy pump storage power station, India 1000. The Sardar Sarovar Dam. On June 2014, Narmada Control Authority gave the final clearance to raise the height from 1 to 1.92 meter, 400 0.5 meter to 138.68 meter, 455 electric flow, water flow, pump storage plant. mini and micro power plant. Micro hydro is a type of hydroelectric power that type produced from 5 kilowatt to 100 kilowatt of electricity using the natural flow of water. Installation below 5 kilowatt or called pico hydro. This installation can provide power to an isolated home or small community or sometimes connected to electric power network, particularly where net metering is offered. Minimum 5 to 20 meter head, 20,000 kilowatt estimate India, bulb type turbine, micro less than 5 meter instead of drop tube straight tube is used. Name Nata Jackery turbines. So here name and operator and configurations Nathappa Jackery 6 turbine in 25 megawatt Satrujay Vidyut Nigam Satrujay Vidyut Nigam 1500 megawatt Sardar Sarovar Dam Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited 1450 megawatt Bakrananda Dam, Bakra Beams Management Board, 1325 megawatt, Cam Camera One NHPC Limited, 1071 megawatt. This is a comparison of hydropower plant with gas and diesel power plant, like that. In this way, we have seen all the parameters and all things here. See, this is comparison of hydropower plant with gas and diesel power plant. Site near road, cheap land, water supply transport. Hydropower plant, huge water land bearing capacity away from road center. Gas can be anywhere, diesel can be anywhere. In case of cost, steam turbine, steam power plant required low cost, hydro required high cost, gas required low, and diesel required low. In case of fuel, steam power plant required high cost, hydro nil, and gas medium, diesel medium. Operating cost, steam turbine power plant high cost required, hydro turbine very less, and gas and diesel have medium. Maintenance, engine turbine higher, hydro minimum, and gas and diesel medium. Pace high, requires steam turbine, very high, hydro power plant, low and low in diesel and gas. Cooling water very high, nil in hydro, and gas and diesel is low, medium. Distribution low, very high, very high, very high. Translation and distribution low. Reliability, less reliable, reliable, less reliable, and less reliable. Pollution high by steam turbine, hydro turbine nil, and gas turbine less, diesel turbine medium. So see here, time of installation high, very high, low, and low in gas and diesel turbine. So classification and selection of hydraulic turbine. So head-based turbine, head, discharge, and types of turbine. Low head, 2.2 to 15 meter, discharge high, type of turbine, Kaplan. Medium head, see here, medium head, 60 to 70 meter, See here, medium head 16 to 70 meter, higher or medium, Kaplan Francis types of turbine. Higher head 71 to 500 meter, medium or low, Francis or Pelton. Very high head above 500 meter, discharge low, types of turbine Pelton. According to Pacific speed, Yan speed of the turbine, P is power raised to half upon head raised to 5 by 4. So see, Pacific speed, Pelton Francis Kaplan, low Pacific speed, Pelton 515, Francis 16 to 150, and Kaplan 300 to 450, medium 60 to 30, 151 to 50, 1 to 250, and 451 to 700, high 31 to 70, 251 to 40, and 701 to 1100. Size of hydraulic turbines, maximum head, maximum Pacific, Pelton 300 to 2000, maximum power megawatt 250, maximum runner meter 5.5, Pacific speed 4 to 70, Francis 30 to 500, maximum power 720, maximum runner 10, Pacific speed 60 to 400. Kaplan 2 to 70, maximum power 2 to 25, maximum runner 10, and Pacific speed 300 to 1100. Yan 120, frequency per pore, Pacific speed, frequency, number of pores. According to the Pacific speed, low Pacific speed, medium Pacific speed, high Pacific speed. Low Pacific speed, Pelton wheel, medium Francis, and high Pacific speed, Kaplan turbine. Efficiency, input power, WQH upon 1000, mechanical efficiency, shaft power upon input power, PS upon PI, generator efficiency, NG, electrical power output upon input shaft power, overall efficiency, electric power output upon input power, PI. So overall efficiency, mechanical efficiency upon generator efficiency. See, this is detail of the dam. In China, we can see here, in China, location Shandong, Yiling, Hubei, December 14, 1994, operating date 2003, 180 billions, height 181 meter, length 2,335 meter, width 40 meter, width 115 meter, crust and base. Okay. Spillway capacity 1,60,000 meter cube per second. Catchment area 110 lakhs kilometer square. Hydraulic head rated 10.6 meter, maximum 113 meter. Turbine 32 into 700 megawatt, 2 into 50 megawatt, Francis type. Installed capacity 22, 500 megawatt. Capacity factor 45%. Annual generation 87, TWH 310 PJ in 2015. The average rate of inflow during 12 months for river rate are under. So plot the hydrograph. This is a question for your assignment. Please note down or take screenshot. Plot the hydrograph and determine average flow, power developed, head of 160 meter. In overall efficiency is 80%. Capacity of storage required for 1 year. Neglect loss due to evaporation. Seepage assume each month 30 days. Second question, draw the hydrograph if the average inflow rate of a river are as follows. January 1600 month, May, like that. So take a screenshot or note down all things. Determine the storage capacity for constant demand of 1100 meter cube per second. Also find the number of additional months. This storage capacity can be utilized if there is no rainfall. This is third question. You can write down this. Draw the flow duration curve and mass curve if the average inflow rate of the river are as follows. Note down this table. From mass curve, determine the storage capacity for constant demand 1100 meter cube per second. Also write down this question. A Pelton wheel of 3 meter runner works under a head of 800 meter. It's run at 60 RPM. The discharge rate into runner is 3 meter cube per second. Find input power to runner, shaft power from runner having mechanical efficiency of 92%. Third, net power output of generator is 96% efficient. Fourth, specific speed of turbine. Fifth, number of turbine needed to generate 100 megawatt. So in this way, we have completed hydroelectric power plant. We have seen hydroelectric power plant. If any doubt, any queries, please ask me. So today we have stopped here. So thank you.